Maybe another one would be bringing a smelly lunch and eating at your desk. That's
No tuna on day
a
one.
good start.
Will, what can I do to make a good impression during the first month of a new job?
Good question. So I think the first thing I'd probably say is ask lots and lots of questions, but make sure you take notes, because no one likes someone asking the same question over and over again. So yeah, take lots of notes, ask lots of questions. Secondly, I think names are very important, and to remember names of people that you meet, even if it means writing them down on your phone or sending yourself a message with those names in, and maybe a little snippet about them is very important. So I'd say remembering names and asking lots of questions is very important.
Yep. If you're a manager, during the first period of time as you're adjusting to a new role, I also recommend observing rather than coming in and making any immediate changes. As Will mentioned, you're going to be meeting a lot of people when you join a new organisation, so it can also be a really good idea to put together a 40-second elevator pitch, if you like, on who you are, where you've come from, and what you're going to be doing in your new role, because you'll be saying the same thing again and again. And final tip would be arrive early, and you can leave once your work is done for the day to make a good first impression.